We are going to be planting 4 cool season vegetables: radish, beetroot, lettuce and leek. I'm going to plant the radish, lettuce and beetroot in these hanging baskets. And leek in these 2 planters. The seeds of lettuce, black seeded Simpson. I am making holes about 1/2 inch deep. We can put 1 or 2 seeds in each hole. These are the seeds of radish. For radish also, you can make holes about 1/2 inch deep and 2 inches apart. Seeds in each hole. You can cover them with the soil now. These are the seeds of beetroot. For beetroot, the spacing should be a little more, because you need to give enough space for the beetroot to grow. These are the seeds of leek. Leek also we are planting about 1/2 inch deep. Leek is from the onion family or allium family. The leaves look like onion, but it will not produce any bulbs. So the stem and the leaves are used in cooking. I'll put 2 seeds in each hole. This is a chive from last year. Chive is a perennial. It comes back every year. Even though it dies back in winter, see, it came back when the weather warmed up in spring. We are not going to be watering them now because it's already raining. It's drizzling now, so it's going to be watered by nature.